5, 10 at 10 continues with No Wait Weather.
All right, heading into the overnight, we still have a thunderstorm. Some newly developed storms here in northeast North Dakota now making their way to the southeast. Still some thunder and lightning out there, but the good news is the risk of severe thunderstorms and those which produce hail over an inch in diameter and wind gusts upwards of 60 miles per hour. That risk has diminished significantly. If you're in Bemidji or much of northwest Minnesota, that's where the majority of the activity is. As we take you in, we just have good old-fashioned rain showers moving through the Black Duck area. Into Bemidji, a hail-producing cell is heading in your direction. Most of these are moving 35 miles per hour from northwest to southeast. Hail size on these, by the way, anywhere from nickel or smaller in most cases right now. North of Thief River Falls or in the Thief River Falls area, some more cells working their way through into northern Pennington County from southern Marshall County and taking you into Grand Forks. Another round of thunder shower activity for you as we head into the evening as well. Again, no severe weather from these, but as we take a look, these moving into northwest Polk County shortly. If you are in Park River, if you are in Grafton, cells moving in towards your general vicinity. Michigan seeing a weaker cell, and as we look at the broad picture across eastern North Dakota, things just pretty spotty out there at this hour. The watch has been dropped for our area. That now continues down in South Dakota. So the threat for severe weather as we go through the remainder over the night is going to be very low. 77 degrees out at Hector International. Southwest winds blowing at about 8 miles per hour at 75 in Moorhead. Look at the temperatures cooler in northwest Minnesota thanks to those showers. Cooling things off a bit. 66 for Roseau, 70 in Grand Forks with a thunder shower now, and 70 as well in Valley City. All right, your hour-by-hour forecast shows as the cold front moves through, it will continue to kick off showers and a few rumbles of thunder. Some areas will get some pretty lofty rain totals from these, around an inch, maybe a little bit more. And then as we head through the remainder of the overnight, after about 1 o'clock in the morning or so, things should be fairly quiet. And then as we rise and shine, first thing in the morning, patchy fog, we'll still have a mix of clouds. And our wind will be from the northwest, and we'll be punching some cooler Canadian air our way. So as we go towards your lunch hour, morning temperatures in the 60s. We won't climb all that much. Look at our colors here in the yellows. Those are still 60s up north. And in fact, the wind arrows show us places that could have winds between 15 and gusting over 20 miles per hour at times. We'll have spotty shower chances in the early part of the day, and then as we go into the afternoon, clearing from northwest to southeast. It still looks like a breezy one on your Wednesday evening with temperatures that will be, we'll call it comfortably cool, and will cool quickly into the evening because we have drier air moving in. That drier air cools off fairly quickly as well. Here's what it means on the thermometer for Fargo Moorhead. Temperatures near 60 to start your day. We ramp up only into the mid 70s. We'll have a fair amount of cloud cover in the early part of the day, and if we get any showers, it will likely be before noon and 1 o'clock in the afternoon. After that, clearing will be the trend. Remember to hold on to your hats because the wind will be gusting over 20 miles per hour at times. 70s across the board, minus a renegade 60 plus degree reading here or there. Here's a look at the northern lights captured by Rick Craig last night in the Rock Lake area. Thanks for sharing your photo. It does look like after a chance of showers tomorrow will be quiet and cool on Thursday and Friday. Then Saturday brings our next chance of showers and thunderstorms, 80 degrees for the high. So nothing too hot there. We've kind of rid ourselves of that hot, sticky, humid air.
Hopefully a little bit of it will come back, though. I mean, not the sticky part, but the hot.
I'm saying there's a chance.
Okay,
yes.
all right. Thanks, Sitch. Later on Valley News Live at